Today I got a little kale. I'm gonna make me a wrap. I got this tuna creations, 15 grams of protein in it, and 70 calories. So I'm gonna make that today. I got it from Dollar Tree for $1.25. I put some oil on my kale. Put this right here, extra virgin olive oil. I season it with black pepper, garlic powder, salt, onion powder, and just some salt. And the crunch really goes out of it. So that's all I'm gonna do for that right now. But I have a boiled egg here. So I'm gonna mix up my salad now. For my cottage cheese wrap, high protein, 2 eggs, salt and pepper, onion, black pepper, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, and the cottage cheese, of course. I've got everything in my mixing bowl except for my cottage cheese. I whipped my cottage cheese already. I whipped it in the blender already. So I'm just going to put it in here and mix it all in here. See how creamy it is when you whip it? I just whip it and put it back in the container. That's all I do. I learned to always get a spatula, and the spatula just mixes everything together. Look how foamy it is now. This is just cottage cheese, 1 cup, and 2 eggs. A wrap. Get this. My last piece of wax paper, y'all. In the oven, she go at 350. It comes up real good.